All right, what are you gonna do if you have a flat tire and your car won't start? No one ever wants to ask for help. If you have one of those personal inflators that you plug into one of the outlets in the car, you're gonna kill the rest of your battery and you definitely won't be able to start it. All right, so check this thing out. AUXITO reached out to me to see if I would do a review on this. This is a boost pack so you can jump start your car, but it's also a tire inflator. It's got a light on it. It also has a USB output to charge other components. Okay, so you got the adapter for the air, you got the cables to jump start, a couple of fittings, and the charging cable. Now I already charged this up previously and I've used it multiple times, topping off different vehicles. The air, you can see it's 79% right now. See, there's a green flashing LED. If you hook it up wrong, it's not going to be green. If you hook it up backwards, you're going to get the red light and a tone. Go ahead, try to start it. Okay, obviously the battery's dead. Now we're going to hook this up. On. Green light's on. All right, go ahead, try to start it. Go ahead, try it again. There it goes. Perfect. For the air pump, you just hook up that hose right there, just thread it on. The nice thing of this is it is a locking in, so you don't have to hold it on the wheel the whole time. You can just lock it onto the valve stem and lock it down. You can set what pressure you want, 36, 35, 34. So we'll set it to 33, and you just put All right, there you go. So one of the advantages are you can just set this up and let it go. You don't have to keep coming back and checking it. It's just gonna stop once it hits the pressure that you set it to, which here it's 33 PSI. So that works well. All right, so this thing's pretty cool. I like it a lot. After pumping up the tires, I'm only at 70%, which really isn't that bad. That tire was completely flat. I've probably topped off 3 or 4 tires before this, and I've jump started with it a couple times, so it holds a charge pretty good. So definitely check this out. Get one of these, throw it in your trunk. You're good to go if you need to pump up your tire or you need to jump start your car. If you're interested, there will be a link in the description. Try to start it.